Savuke kuseni ngo-76 sayofuna abafundisi obaqeqesha Stephen Biko General Mandala abantu abamnyama bakhala bomama bayakhala bobaba bayakhala bazale ngoStephen Biko savuke kuseni ngo-2015 bayilwela abafundi fees must go Stephen Biko General
Daughters and sons of the African soil, greetings are in order. Before you, it's Comrade Msime SWAZI from Luyengo campus. I am the chairperson of Snus Luyengo, and I'm organized under the banner of the Ngwane National Liberatory Congress. I would like to encourage every SWAZI, more especially the youth, to partake in the Justice for Tabang and commemoration at the SNAT Center tomorrow. Mine is that even though there is this division, let's make sure, comrades, we unite. Unity of purpose is key, as stipulated by the SNAS Constitution. Thank you.
Sanibonani Macabane, ligama ngumthobisi Mhlangase, currently a student at the University of Eswatini, UNESCO, Mbabane campus under the Faculty of Health Sciences. I am a young activist and a student leader organized under the banner of the Swaziland National Union of Students, also known as NAS. And apart from student politics, I also participate in broader national politics, and I am politically affiliated to the People's United Democratic Movement, PUDEMO, under its youth wing, the Swaziland Youth Congress, SWAYOCO, also known as PUDEMO Youth League. So as students, we may have different political affiliations and different political ideologies, but that doesn't mean that we don't have to work hand in hand in addressing issues that are affecting students and uniting the mass democratic movements in general. So as SNAS, we recognize that students may have different political affiliations, or they may not have any political affiliation at all. But that doesn't mean that we don't have to work collaboratively as students in pursuit for academic freedom and the ultimate goal, which is democracy, which will provide a better life for all Swazis. So with that said, as NAS, we promote unity of all democratic forces or all members of the mass democratic movement. Forward to unity, forward.
I am a student at the University of Swaziland, Gwaliseni campus. Currently, I serve as the SWAZI chairperson and vice chairperson was NAS, the Swaziland National Union of Students, a branch in Gwaliseni. I am a member of the Communist Party of Swaziland. I'm a communist, where I am currently the national head of Women Commission in the party. So, comrades, namuhla, I would like kuncenga ngenzisicelo kuwo onke students la affiliated with different political homes with different political ideologies. Kusasa the National Union of Students isimemile iyasicela isupport yethu from our political homes. Support Tabani Day, the commemoration of Tabani Ngomonye, who was a student at the University of Swaziland, Gwaliseni. So ngiyacela kwami kunicela ko onke bafundi lesinabo eSwatini ukuthi sithi sisayolusupport lelanga sibe munye despite our political differences, despite our political homes. Ukuthi mina I am CPS, when you are NNS, when you are SWAYOCO, when you are SPLM, lo munye EFF SWA, lo munye uyi SWADEPA, or any other political home. Nasifika lana sisekhaya lethu lema students la lifike lesihlanganise khona akukabhekeki-ke ukuthi bese siphusha ama-agendas ema-political homes ethu, but siyayadi i-mandate yasnas ukuthi ini. So when we get to the union of students asendeni njalo sisebente wama-students ihambise ama-interest ema-students embili, and then ourselves later kuphusha ama-agendas ema-political homes ethu kube ngiko time over. So mine today would be usicela ukuthi can we just unite to protect the interest of ama-students, and of course kube lilanga labhuti wethu Thabani Nkomonye kungabi khona ukhanza ukuthi sekunemisindo because of our political homes and views. So it is to plead with every student and the nation at large. Sibonile the National Union of Students iwamemile ema-political homes or political parties ave that they've approved ukuthi they are pledging their support. So siyacela ukuthi sibe mcondvo munye sihlangene singemaswati nebafunzi. Thank you.
Wekuqala nje ngingafunda emaswatini ukuthi sisazabalaza every struggle will go through the same process. Wonke umzabalazo utawufacea ama-challenges lathile. Wonke futhi umzabalazo noma ungayakubelieve kwake kwaba khona sikhathi lapho kwabonakala ngathi sekuyanyathelwana, sekukhulumanwa kabi, sekucalwa emanga. Wonke umzabalazo does go through such a period, and this period will pass, and the people of Swaziland atagcina ayitholile inkululeko. Lesingakusho thina siyi-SWAZI National Union of Students njengoba besishiyo earlier, kuhloniphana nokuthi sibe munye ngavelinye. Sisatawunyathelana kwemzabalazo, but the key thing ukuthi sathi ukuthi sibahona sicorrectana njani. Nangabe kukhona president weSNAS masekula kwendini kunendlela yokumcorrect, uhamba uyobhala kabi ngani ka-Facebook ukuthi maybe kukhona lokwendini noma uhlele kubantu labathide ngeke kukuside, futhi nalo mzabalazo ngeke kukuside. Kukhona bona ukudlana siyakubona kwemzabalazo, and futhi le period lesiyo in the history of the struggle yaSwatini akuzange sekube kanjani. To some of us these things are new. Vele nakulento lensha kukhona ukuthi sitawureact in different ways, but lesingakusho ukuthi at the end of the day thinking ngathi khona ku-struggle the best way ukuthi sihlale phasi sibahona, forge a way forward. Ipride kuyindlela itasisita khona kuba ukuthi tshela ukuthi bani wathi kakhulu nalona kude la kutasisita khona. The best thing lefunekako futhi indlela tasisita ukuthi at the end of the day onke lama-democratic movement structures ahlangane ngavelinye ahlale phasi babuka ukuthi do we want the same thing. Nakukhona lokuphuma endleleni there is a way yokujosa, nakukhona info nangabe zibani akayendi kahle akubuye kuhlale phasi lonke ikhaya linetinkingatala. Even nanyalo sisele phase yokuthi kukhona ukuclasha laphana lapho, but akusasho ukuthi idemocracy aseyifuni. Sithi maswati this phase will pass, but lesidingana ukuthi sibambane, sihloniphane, sikhuthatane, because sisitha sethu sinye ngunanti tinkundla tamswati. That is our enemy, and energy yethu should focus ukuthi lo mbuso lona wetinkundla logcilata abantu uwanjani, uwebhala ngeke kusisite. Ngiko sithi nathi singu-SNAS because we want unity. Ngiko sithi kusasa kule event le-SNAS siwamukela onke ama-political parties nema-organization ahlukene, futhi onke ama-organization lapha yakuda kusasa la sidawanika the opportunity to address onke ama-organizations lakhona kagwana. Siyawavelowisha, siyawathanda, futhi siyawahlonipha, futhi siwadzinga onke lamaswati nalama-organizations kuze sitawu-obtaina le-democracy kuwe lesichwaga lesilwa naso, ngoba lesikufunako sifuna uhulumende wabantu, futhi singamvumeli lo hulumende angene emkhathisini kwethu sivile le theory sethiwa sishiselana sodwa siyi-mass democratic movement sivile ukuthi banibani soyambimba banibani wentana sithi leti ntoleto in the struggle kuyakufika tikhona but thina asati ukuthi sifunani. Let us not lose focus futhi lamzabalazweni uzunqoba ungabi emotional tawulimana sethi yabona ngoba emotional kumzabalazo mekolongo sethi nemthimo letibhaliwe njengami tibhaliwe nganabuholi besinasi sisathi futhi leto basathatha ibhala ngalesinye inhlangano lo mzabalazo lona ufuna ube entitled. Lo mzabalazo lona awudzini abantu abatetemayo awudzini abantu aba-emotional kufuna wathi ukuthi as an organization and as a leader umele ini as long as wathi ukuthi umele iqiniso as long as wathi ukuthi wenivole kahle as long as wathi ukuthi your consciousness is clear ngentolo yentando but awuqhubeka abantu bakhuluma after all inja izange seyikhongotha imoto lefile lepake lapha inja iyawuhlala ikhonkotha imoto ehambako. The fact that kukhona labashoko ngabo you must know ukuthi you're heading to the right direction. Vele after all bamva bayuthi ba-criticize into lengabonakali ukuthi yaphi. Critics will always be there but lesishoko sithi let us not lose focus asifocus leli goli silifunako ukuthi abantu emaswati ekugcineni akhuleke kwekugcina akuvetela ukuthi into letasisida sibahona bemtshela ukuthi upride nekudati nekungafuni ukutshelwa sikubeke eceleni nakukhona umuntu nakwendile nakufuna ukuthi athobe adehlise aqolise akube njalo nakukhona futhi umholi lobona ukuthi umonile umholi bani akube khona kubuholi ngalesi sikhathi nakukhona lembonile kunamwakhile phela emusho ukuthi umkhunyukele phela lana ngixolele iyaqhubeka impilo after all na uxolisile ngoma wadehlisa kude la uncibilika khona ngoma la uhlephuka khona vele kulo mzabalazo lona usatawuba khona nginyathela lapha nalapha but asingabe emotional singayiluze futhi focus ngoma after all sifuna nje kubona emaswati akhululekile. Thank you.
Just to add on what the president is saying, comrades, I think it is very, very important as a comrade, as an individual comrade, uhlale phasi ube wente i-self-introspection uwedvana utibuke ukuthi wena wawungenela ini mzabalazo phinde uhlale phasi uqabanga ukuthi lokhu lokwenteka 29 June July kula maswati akithi ukuthi uyafuna yini ukuthi lokhu kube yimvelo uhlale phasi kube onke la maswati lasolwakho bonke bosipojela bonke bothabani komoya utibuke ukuthi wena abantu bakho uyafuna yini baphile kule state lesiphila kuyo. So I think from there, ours will be to appeal for unity kule mass democratic movement. Because nasibambene kude lesingeke sikunqobe. Ngiyangitshela ngiyangithembisa futhi namuhla. Kubambana kwethu inja itanishekela.
Wena general commander labantola abantu abamnyama Stephen Biko uzoboyani commander labantola abantu abamnyama savuke ekseni 76 sayofuna abafundisi obaqeqesha